My name is Jhad Katerji. I'm a director of solution engineering here at NeuraFlash. Excited to walk you guys through the service experience that NeuraFlash and Shutterfly have been able to provide together.
I'm Mike Landreth, founding member of Shutterfly Customer Success Team and leader of Shutterfly's Customer First Transformation, putting the customer at the center of all we do. At Shutterfly, we enable all dimensions of personalization and custom design, from life-touch photography and Shutterfly Business Solutions for our enterprise customers, to premium home decor and a design marketplace at Spoonflower, from affordable Snapfish solutions to the mainstream offerings of our flagship brand, Shutterfly.
We actually wanted to start this off by showing you a customer experience that we all unfortunately know a little too well. I'm going to go ahead and call into the support number for what used to be one of my favorite brands. Listen in as I try to get some information regarding the status of my order, and you'll quickly realize why I said used to be my favorite brand.
Hi there. Thanks for calling our support line. For technical support, please press 1. To speak with a known representative, please press 2. To speak with our sales team, please press 3. For issues with one of your delivered orders, please press 4. For another option that is definitely not the one that you are looking for, please press 5. For order status, please press 6.
And there's the option I'm looking for.
Okay, order status. For me to be able to help, please type or say your order number.
50876.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to find that order number. Please try again.
50876.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to find that order number. Please try typing it using your keypad instead. Okay, looks like I was able to find your order. The order left our facility 3 weeks ago and is on the way. How else can I help you? To hear our options again, please press 1. To speak to a representative, please press 2.
Go ahead and talk to someone.
Okay, I can transfer you. It looks like our current hold time is 84 minutes. Please wait on the line until the next available representative.
And I am not going to sit here and wait 84 minutes, but this type of experience, although somewhat exaggerated and created for this presentation here, is not far off. If anything, some of you are probably shaking your heads because you've dealt with a similar or identical scenario. And that experience is actually the polar opposite of what Shutterfly has set out to provide to their customers and why they've been so incredibly successful from a support perspective to date.
That example was not customer first always. It was customer first in about an hour and a half, if then. Customer first always is a driving principle at Shutterfly. It means making decisions with the customer in mind and working hard to avoid situations like the one you just heard. With the help of NeuraFlash, we've leveraged technology to help scale our support so our customers can get the help they need without having to wait 84 minutes. Jhad, let's show everybody how a chatbot can be customer first.
Now what we're going to do is actually walk you through what the real Shutterfly experience is and the incredible support system that Shutterfly has created with the help of NeuraFlash and Salesforce. And to do this, I want to take you guys on a bit of a journey. I want to walk you through the entire customer experience from purchase to post-purchase support. In this demo, I'm going to be playing the role of a customer looking to customize and purchase a mug for some of my friends. So I'm going to start over here on the Shutterfly website. Right away overwhelmed with the amount of options that I have for purchase, whether it's drinkware, pillows and blankets, right, kitchen and tabletop, but I know that I'm here looking for a mug, so I'm going to go ahead and select that option. And the theme continues, right? Overwhelmed with the amount of personalization options that I have, the amount of mugs that I can select from. As I continue to scroll through here, the photo gallery mug looks like exactly what I'm looking for, so I'll select that one here. I can customize it via size or actually change the color. The red one looks great, so that's the one I'm going to select. And I can even see a 3D render of this mug before I go ahead and personalize or purchase this mug. This is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and click that personalize button over here on the right side of my screen. And when I do, I'm launched into this personalization page, right? I have the ability to upload an image from my gallery or even select from any previous images that I may have already had on my account. So you'll see a few images of me and my niece down there from a previous order. But in this scenario, I'm looking to upload a new image out of my gallery to be printed on this mug. So go ahead, and this is the image that I want to select from. For those of you who might not know, this is Lumi. Lumi is actually the mascot of NeuraFlash, but something you'll notice right away is the red eyes. There is some serious red eye in this photo. Now, Shutterfly is a photo company, so they should be able to help me remove red eye, right? And generally, when you're looking for support from a brand, you go to their customer support site, you try to see, is there any way that you can contact them? You try to find a way for them to be able to help you, again, generally starting with their support page. I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly that and hop over to the Shutterfly support site. Now, this is built on a Salesforce experience, and right away, you'll see a slew of options that I can select from in the middle. I have a few other self-service options at the top banner, and I even have the ability to browse knowledge articles if I choose to do so. But in the bottom right, you see that Shutterfly Assistant button. And when I click it, I can actually launch the Salesforce Einstein Bot that NeuraFlash and Shutterfly have partnered together to create. Now, as soon as I go ahead and click that, the bot can actually personalize the conversation based on the fact that I'm authenticated or that I'm logged in. So you're seeing it saying, hey, Jhad, right? I'm Shutterbot. I'm your Shutterfly digital assistant. Provides me with some information regarding the privacy policy and terms and conditions, and right away providing me a few options of things that I can select from. Now, I'm here for red eye, and I don't see that as one of these options. So what I can actually do is type in natural language my request. So I'm going to go ahead and ask the bot how to remove red eye. Because it's powered by Salesforce's Einstein natural language processing technology, it's able to understand that and actually provide me with a direct response to my question. You'll see here, it's giving me a expandable carousel of images and steps walking me through how to remove red eye. Looks like I just have to click that hamburger in the right and select the red eye that I'm trying to remove. And then it's asking me for feedback that we can use to optimize the model. It was exactly what I was looking for, so I select yes. Just like that, got my answer in seconds. But while I'm here, I mentioned that I had a previous order and I want to know the order status of that as well. So again, using natural language, I can go ahead and make that request to the bot. And because, again, I'm authenticated, it's not asking me for my order number, but instead being proactive and looking up orders related to my account. I can go ahead and select the order that I'm looking for the order status of, in this case, the one that I placed on the 11th, and it's giving me the details in this card, right? The order date, the items in the shipment, along with the delivery date. And again, ask me if this was helpful and if this is what I was looking for. In this case, it was. Right away, the bot can continue to have a proactive conversation with me, right? Asking if I want to make changes to this order, or view offers and promotions, or even get product help. But what you just saw here, right, is a sliver of the experience that Shutterfly and NeuraFlash have been able to create, right? This was a personalized conversation. This was an engaging conversation. I got 2 requests solved for in seconds, not having to speak to anybody. Now, this Einstein bot has significantly more use cases. We're continuing to build on top of it, but how we were able to get here and where we're looking to move forward, I'm going to go ahead and pass it to Mike to talk through that.
Our customer-first philosophy means we focus on customer experience, and that means not only designing the interaction to be easy to use, but using technology to improve our ability to serve our customers. We wanted to drive customers to a more affordable contact channel with chat, which in turn helped us scale our support during our peak seasons. From the start, we used data to drive our decisions, focusing on the most common contact drivers to ensure adoption and scalability, while addressing the issues that are most important to our customers. This has been a long journey, but every step has improved our self-service offerings and helped inform the next step. Our initial Shutterfly phase focused on order status, and we gradually added more complex flows, including photo book creation support, refunds for missed promotions, and order change requests like shipping method and delivery address changes, while improving the natural language processing capabilities at every stage. We've taken a similar approach with LifeTouch, starting with the high volume order status category and then developing other functionality. And it hasn't just been about customer-facing features. We've developed flows that help eliminate cumbersome tasks that previously required agent involvement, like authenticating customers and authorizing orders. So what are we seeing? We're seeing great results. Our primary channels used to be phone and email, but in a couple years, we've moved entirely away from email and established chat as the dominant channel, handling 85% of customer contacts. Better yet, a third of the users interacting with chat are able to self-serve with the help of our chatbot. The net result is millions of dollars of savings. So what's our secret sauce? How did we get this to work out? Any successful project starts with great partners, both internal and external, and NeuraFlash has been a great partner. Their expertise has helped us take this project from concept to results. Another key to success is to involve internal resources from the start. In most organizations, a chatbot implementation will be cross-functional, with input and assistance required from engineering and product teams for sure. but also from InfoSec, IT, legal, and don't forget to involve all the different parts of CS, like training, knowledge base, and workforce management. And of course, start early, especially if you have a seasonal business that requires everything to be in place and properly tested before peak. So where does our AI journey lead next? We're looking to apply the same principles we used in our chatbot development as we focus on simplifying the agent experience, making manual tasks and processes more automated and streamlined. Everything from knowledge access, case dispositioning, to things like the next best action to take with a customer to improve satisfaction and engagement. We'll continue to build out our self-service capabilities for sure, but it isn't just about implementing more AI. It's about providing a great customer experience and enhancing our ability to provide it. Ultimately, it means being intentional about the outcome rather than the technology. Thankfully, NeuraFlash knows the tech, so we can concentrate on the customer.